Hello student, now we are going to learn types of dive in machine tools. There are two types of dive in machine tools. Number one, individual dive. Number two, group dive. Now, what is individual dive? What is individual dive or self-contained dive? If a machine or machine tools is driven by its own prime mover means electric motor, diesel engine, etc., then it is called individual dive. This is the figure of individual dive. This is the motor. This is spindle of motor. This is the spindle of machine. Power is transformed through belt pulley. This is the spindle of work spindle. Each machine requires its own electric motors and starter. Power from motor may be transferred to machine spindle by belt or coupling or chaining or gearing, etc. In a machine shop, for every machine have its separate individual motor. Modern industries are using individual dive due to its easy layout, cleanliness, less chance of accident, better lighting, wide speed variation, etc. Okay. Now, what is the advantages of individual dive? Number one, there is considerable economy of power for diving any machine. Power consumption is less. Number two, in case of motor failure, a particular machine remains idle and this does not affect the working of other machines because every machines have separate motors. Okay. Number three, give a better look and there is practically no chance of accident because there is no overhead line shaft. Every machine have separate motor, separate unit. Okay. Number 4, power losses are small. Number 5, replacement of belt takes little times. Number 6, layout is very easy. Number 7, it gives a wide speed variation and better control of speed range. Okay. Disadvantages of individual dive. The initial cost is very high. This is one and main disadvantage of individual dive. Okay. Now, what is group dive or line shaft dive? If a motor or prime mover rotates a number of machine tools by the help of main shaft, then it is called group dive. Here, number of machines are dive by only one electric motor. Okay. This is the figure of group dive. This is a single electric motor. Power is transferred from motor spindle to line shaft. This is the line shaft. From line shaft, power transmitted to the counter shaft. This is the pulley for speed variation. This is the machine 1 work spindle. Power transmit from counter shaft to machine spindle or work spindle. This is line shaft. This is the machine 2. Machine 2 also power is coming from line shaft to this is the counter shaft through belt pulley. This is the first pulley. This is the loose pulley. When we idle this machine, then belt is shifted from first pulley to loose pulley. From counter shaft, power is transmitted to the work spindle. This is the pulley. This is the pulley of the machine. In this way, many machines are dived by a single motor. This type of dive can be seen in old machine shop. Okay. The motor is fixed to the floor and its power is transmitted to the main shaft. This is the main shaft, line shaft. The main shaft transmit the power to various machines, various machine tools. This is various machine tools through counter shaft and loose and fast pulley. This is the fast pulley, this is the loose pulley, this is the fast pulley, this is the loose pulley. Okay. Now, what is the disadvantages of groove drive? Number 1, shaft, pulleys, belt, etc. absorb greater power and the efficiency is considerably low. Number 2, disadvantages of groove drive. In case of motor failure, all the machines become idles. Okay. Number 3, gives a very clumsy appearance, not clear appearance. There is greater chances of accident. Okay. Number 4, does not gives a wide speed variation and better control of speed range. Okay. Number 5, here machine layout is difficult. Number 6, overhead traveling cane cannot be used if required, because in overhead there is a main shaft or line shaft. Due to main shaft and line shaft, overhead traveling cane cannot be used. Maximum are disadvantage of groove drive. Only one and main advantages of groove drive, because it is used for this reason only. The initial cost is very low. This is the main reason for use the groove drive. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.